Hi, today we're going to be making a banana pudding dessert. This is a really easy recipe and it's nice to bring to potluck dinners or holiday parties. What we're going to do first is we're going to start with Pepperidge Farm Chessmen cookies. I actually happened to find ones that are printed with some holiday images, which is really fun for the holiday time if you're using this for a party. But certainly you can use the regular Pepperidge Farm Chessmen cookies. And what we're going to do is we're going to use two packages. We're going to line the bottom of the pan with one package, and then the top of the pudding is going to be lined with the other package. What you want to make sure of, though, is that there aren't any broken cookies. If there are, you want to use those on the bottom. So open up both of your packages, look at the cookies, and if there's any broken ones, those are the ones you want to put on the bottom. And I don't have any broken cookies, so we're good to go. And basically, you're just going to line the bottom of the pan with all of your cookies. So the bottom is going to take one package. And as I said, we're going to save the other package to top the pudding with. So this fits real nice. This is a 9 by 13 pan. Doesn't have to be perfect for the bottom. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a mixing bowl, and I'm going to take a 5-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding, and I'm going to put that into my bowl. And I'm going to add 2 cups of 2% milk to the pudding mix. And with my old-fashioned handheld electric mixer, I'm going to beat this. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes until the pudding thickens. Okay, it looks like my pudding mixture has thickened. And so I'm going to just set that off to the side. And I'm going to get another mixing bowl. And to this, I'm going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And this has been brought to room temperature. And to the cream cheese, I'm going to add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And you want to use a spatula to get it all out. And again, I'm going to beat this with my handheld mixer for another couple minutes just till it's well blended. Okay, so everything's blended here. And now we're just going to add our pudding mixture back into the bowl with the cream cheese and condensed milk mixture. And to this, I'm going to add 1 large container of Cool Whip topping. And again, this has been thawed and brought to room temperature. So it's easy to work with. We're going to put the entire 12-ounce container in there. And very carefully, with your spatula, you're going to fold all the ingredients together until they're well mixed. So everything's real mixed together well. And I'm going to set this aside for a second and chop the bananas. I'm going to be using 6 bananas for this recipe. A lot of banana pudding recipes call for overripe bananas, and I am not doing that. These are just regular bananas that you would eat right now. You don't want them to be overripe because they really add kind of a strong flavor to the pudding. So obviously you want to peel all of your bananas, and you're just going to slice them into 1-inch pieces. So I've completed slicing all of my bananas, and I'm just going to pick them up and sprinkle them over the cookies. So all of my bananas are in place, and now I'm going to grab my pudding mixture that we made earlier, and it's had a few minutes just to thicken up a little bit more, and I'm going to pour it evenly over the top of my dish. And with your spatula, you just want to smooth everything out. And this looks pretty just as it is. But remember, we have those Chessman cookies that we're going to top the dish off with. And again, I found those holiday ones. So this is going to be great to bring to the holiday work party or the family gathering. And here you want to just be a little bit neater than you were placing them on the bottom, and just kind of move them around so they all look nice and evenly dispersed. So this basically makes about 12 servings. So as you kind of look at it in half and then divide each half by 6, that's kind of what you're eyeballing your serving to look like. So this serving equals 3 grains and 3 added fats. Enjoy.